Today we will start the 1.2, 1.1 chapter 1.1. We have seen the UG coal mines. Today we will start metal UG. Okay, and I have prepared or I will decided that I will give you basic information of the method because maybe you have not read metal thoroughly. Okay, so let's start. So first terminology is gestation period. In the coal mines we have seen that incubation period. Here we will see gestation period. What is the gestation period? Gestation period means the interval between mine started and the production of the ore started. मतलब क्या होता है कि whenever you start, this is your suppose that this is surface, this is your ore. So first day when you started your mining, so from the first day you will not get your ore because you have to make the shaft, then levels, cross cuts, many other things. Okay, then one day will come after 2 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, then ore will be start. You will reach to the ore and you will started the production. So this gap we know as the gestation period. Okay, cutoff grade. Cutoff grade, that means the grade at which the mineral resources can no longer be proceed at the profit. That what it means कि कभी भी if you want to extract this coal, so it should be economical. So which the mineral resources can no longer be proceed the profit. अगर profit नहीं हो रहा है या लगभग profit खत्म हो रहा है, उस जगह को हम कट ऑफ ग्रेड बोल रहे हैं. ओके, ब्रेक इवन कट ऑफ ग्रेड. The break-even cutoff grade is the defined as the grade for which the net value is 0. Now come to the terminology. Okay, so if I have any image, so I will give you the hint and I will explain it thoroughly. Okay, so uh, in this figure, this is your shaft. Okay, this is your incline. Suppose that this is outbreak of your, suppose this is your ore. Okay, and this is your surface. So to excavate this ore, we have to make shaft or incline. Okay, whatever method they are using, don't. So from this shaft, you have to create these levels. Okay, so this is the your cross cut. This is your shaft, and this Tata कलर चेंज करता हूँ. The our this above this our ore body, this strata overlying or resting on your ore body is known as hanging wall. Okay, and the strata on which our ore body is resting is known as footwall. Okay, सो अगर अपना जो ओर बॉडी है, ओर बॉडी के ऊपर जो स्टार्टा होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं हैंगिंग वॉल, और ओर बॉडी के जो नीचे जो स्टार्टा होता है उसको बोलते हैं हम फुटवॉल. ठीक है, सो अगर मान लो if you want to connect this cross cut for, if you extracted ore from here and put it down, then this connecting passage we will known as a ore pass. Okay, so here ore bin will be we will make a ore bin which will connect to your shaft. Okay, so till now we know about it, and so we will divide our ore body in stops. So suppose that this is your one stop. ठीक है, so this will known, if you go from down to top, it known as a ridge, and if you go from bottom to down, it known as winge. And so the ridge and winge, they are the driveways from the one level to another level, connect the level during the development stage of the metal mine. ठीक है, ridge means down to top, and winge means top to down. ठीक है, and one two terminology or also we can see for the coking coal. We have read that how we know this is a coking coal or non-coking coal. We have seen the various type of coking coal, but the basic difference was ash content. On the basis of ash content, we divide in the various types. For the non-coking coal, coking coal is not. For the coking coal, we know it. It will be the calorific value or heating value, and for the non-coking coal, it will be ash content. And for the cut-off grade, we use for the metal mines or ore. ठीक है, coking coal, non-coking coal, cut-off grade, basic difference you should know. So what we have seen till now? So we have seen the gestation period, cut-off grade, break-even cut-off grade, range and winch, cross-cut, overpass, hanging wall, foot wall. ठीक है, shaft we have seen. Is it clear? Please comment, is it clear, or so we can go on the various method of the our metal mines. I will today decided that I will give you the basic information of the all, because the AK Gorai do not give the only they have mentioned 2-3 points which may not be sufficient for you, and you may also not read about it. So I will discuss in little bit, so you will get knowledge about it. ठीक है, चले आगे, इतना समझ आया? ठीक है, चले आगे, इतना समझ आया? ओके, सो कट ऑफ ग्रेड. ठीक है, चले आगे, इतना समझ आया? ओके, the grade at which the mineral resources can no longer be processed as the profit. मान लो कि आपने, और ये आपका मिनरल है ना, तो जब आप निकालोगे तो बहुत सारी कॉस्ट लगेगी ना इसमें. shaft making, you will need money for shaft, manpower, and many infrastructure you have to create. So if that cost and the cost which will, or the value of the your ore which you have extracted is equal, nearly equal, then it is the cutoff grade. Means the you are not profitable but is equal, then it is the cutoff grade. ठीक है, अब स्टार्ट करते हैं हम रेज मेथड. एक आई थिंक इट इज लैगिंग. ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके. From this onward we will start from the various raising methods, because in the AK Gorai they have mentioned only 2 points. So I have decided that I will take a method and I will give you the basic information like applicability. Then I will discuss the method also, so you will get knowledge about each and every method, and I will show you some videos related to that. Okay, today we have you do not have the class 3 or 4 o'clock, so we can extend today's class also. So for the open range by drilling, blasting and mucking. ठीक है. So today we will I told you what is a range, means down to top. We will come from down to top. So in the raising method, suppose this is your ore, okay, and this is your level 1, and this is your level 2. Okay, so it is your hanging wall and it is your foot wall. So in this method you will create, first we have to see applicability, मतलब कहाँ काम में लेते हैं ना, then we will discuss the our method. Applicability, where we will use. First, the ore should be moderate length up to 8 meter. Second point is inclination of the ore body 40 to 60 degree. Inclined होना चाहिए थोड़ा. और and third point, hard strata. Okay, strata should be hard, है ना. So this is the applicability of it. So in this method, what we will do, we will suppose that we will want to excavate it. So we will drill 1 2 3 4, okay, and we will blast it. We will blast up to this. So this will blast and this ore will fall down. We will collect this material from here. Okay, then we will drill, we will make a compartment, or we will extend यार रबड़ कहाँ गया. So where we were, we will hole and this material will be fall down. So we will collect it. Again we will use any make a platform and we will drill this one and we will blast and collect. This is method known as a open raising by drilling, blasting and mucking. So in this method, what type of problem we will face? What is disadvantage of this phase, this method? Because in this method, disadvantage. First, lack of ventilation. Why? Because we are drilling from bottom to up top. So in this area, the ventilation was not ventilation is not up to the mark. Second point, so whenever you will first you will drill this area and it will fall down. So whenever this ore fall down, it will blast or it will create damage your pipes platforms. And when we third point of disadvantage, so should I write or you will write yourself? So second point is, so damage pipes platforms during the blasting. Third point, when you when the raise when the raise goes higher, जब अपन बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर पहुंच जाएंगे, so it will affect our efficiency and cyclic time will be increase, है ना. जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाएंगे साइक्लिक टाइम बढ़ेगा, एफिशिएंसी कम होती जाएगी. और फोर्थ डिसएडवांटेज इज शिफ्टिंग ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म, वेरी टीडियस जॉब और लेबोरियस जॉब. ठीक है. सो वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द ओपन रेजिंग बाय द ड्रिलिंग, ब्लास्टिंग एंड मकिंग. तो आई विल शो यू ए वीडियो for your better understanding. Okay, we have divided that we want to extract it. We have drilled hole, put some explosive and blast it. We will collect this material, then again we will drill and blast, and we will make a platform with the help of ladders. Then use drilling and then we will blast. So whenever here any person will be he will face the air is not adequate or ventilation is not proper, and when the blasting will occur, this ladder will damage and the platform may be also damaged. Okay, this method we know as a. Now come to the second method. Divide 2 or 3 compartment raising suitable for okay, he has only mentioned 1 or 2 points, so I will discuss in the detail. So first we will see applicability. You should make your notes with me. Okay, do not depend that sir will provide the PPT or anything else, because your notes will be your friend. And make some bullet point or in point format so you can revise it very fast. So how the applicability is, length should be 15 to 20 meter, and the inclination should be very steep to vertical. मतलब और बॉडी मतलब लगभग खड़ी होनी चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसी वाली और बॉडी हो. ओके, वी विल प्रेफर एज ए steep or vertically. So what we will do in this method? In this method, suppose that this is your ore body, okay, and this is your levels. and you want to excavate this stop. Then you will divide, first do preparationary work. Okay. And preparatory work, after that, work means you will drill and blast, and then you will divide in two compartment. First is for ore, second is for you will make a ladder. And so whenever you will go up, you will drill and then blast. So when you blast, put a wooden block, wooden or any material, so the ore will be fall down in this area. When we, and you can muck, you can use, and you can excavate your ore from this side. So in this method we divide in the compartment, and one is specially for ore and other is for your preparatory work, because in that in the previous method we have seen that our ladder and our platform will damage. In this method that will not damage. So whenever we will blast, we can take take out our platform. So I will show you video. So we have done a preparatory work, and now we have divided in two compartments. One is for the ore compartment and second is for the ladder compartment. And this is the this is wooden, so you can put your platform on it. This is your ladder. So in this platform, working platform, anybody can stay. This is the 3D view. So you will drill the hole. When you want to blast it, you will take back your platform. So and put this inclined wooden bar, so it will not fall down on your ladder. It will down on the, and it will fall down in your over compartment and not in your ladder compartment. Okay, this method is known as a two compartment method. Come back. So we have done two methods. First is raising method with drilling, blasting and mucking, and second method we have discussed, two compartment method. So this method has also some disadvantage. What type of disadvantage this method has? Disadvantage. So first disadvantage is, in this method also poor ventilation. Second disadvantage is consume large quantity of timber, because we are using platform, ladders. So this method consume large quantity of timbers, and maximum space occupied by compartments. Okay, please write down. So we have discussed two method. Come to the next method. Raising with Jora raise lift. In this method now this method is a mechanized mechanized method. Mechanized method. Second point is suitable for 100 meters long. थर्ड पॉइंट इज नॉट यूज नाउ. जो अब यूज ही नहीं हो रहा तो उसको हम डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे. ठीक है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट मेथड. रेजिंग बाय द लॉन्ग होल ड्रिलिंग long hole drilling method we will discuss. Okay, so what is the long hole drilling method? First we will discuss applicability. So first point of applicability is length should be 15 to 50 meter. Second point, inclination should be 35 degree from vertical. ठीक है. These methods secure the lowest cost per meter of drivage and the highest speed. So if these type of lines come, you should remember this, because these type of lines may come in your options. So when this type of option comes, you should know this is for the long hole drilling. So this method is secure lowest cost per meter and the highest speed. What we will do in this method? In this method, first we will two level. From the top level, you will drill long holes from one level to another. Okay. So when you will drill, this middle hole will be big one, because its diameter dia should be 100 mm, and other side holes dia may be less. How much? Nearly 50 to 670 mm. Okay, so it is the middle hole's diameter will be large. Why middle hole? Middle hole will provide us the free face. This middle hole provide us the free face. Okay, so we will put some blast, put some explosive up to, suppose that this is 3 to 6 meter. We will put explosive and blast. This will material will collect. Again we will use uh, suppose that this is your hole. You use plug, so your explosive will not fall down, and up to this you use plug, then explosive, then stemming, then plug. Suppose that is your hole, open hole on top and bottom. So you use plug. So this hole will be closed with help of plug. Then you put some explosive. Then you will put some stemming, and then you also put plug, and then you will blast. So it will blast. Okay, so I think you have got enough information, and if I have a video I will show you long hole drilling. Yes, I have. So first the machine will go on top. जंबो रेज ड्रिलिंग कंप्रेस एयर का यूज करता है, डाया 50 से 75, सेंटर होल का 100 to 125 mm, डाया ऑफ साइड्स 50 to 75 mm. For this hole, if somebody asks you in this method, the length of the hole should be equal to the length of raise. Okay, because we hole one time from level 1 to level 2, so the drill hole dia and the drill hole length should be equal to the raise. So we have drill, and the middle hole should be larger than side holes. And so we can use in the square or rectangle. It's up to you in which type you want to blast. We will start from the bottom. So say this is your central hole, which is the larger than the side holes. You use plug, so this hole will be closed, and your explosive will not fall down. This is your explosive. You put some explosive, and then you use stemming. So your explosive will pack, and then again we use plug, and then we will blast and collect this material. Again similar process we will adopt, and blast. So the range up to 3 to 6 meter is depends on various factors. Okay, now we have discussed the 4 methods. Okay, so first dredging method was drilling with the drilling, blasting and mucking. Second, we have read about the 2-compartment or 3-compartment method. Third, we have was the Jora raising lift, which is not in use now. So, fourth one was the long hole drill hole. Come to next, raising with Alimak raise chamber climber. So first we will see applicability. Okay. So first, so the inclination should be 40° to vertical. Second point, length depend on the size and capacity of machine, but not more than 150 meter. Okay, suitable for the greater than 40°. This is degree, 40° inclination from the horizontal or vertical. And the length of the rays not more than 150 meter. Okay, 40 to 50 कर लो यार. Depends. It depends on various method. Okay. So what we will do in this method? So suppose this is your level 1, this is your level 2. So we had, suppose we want to excavate it in the long hole, we have drilled the long holes, but in this method we will do some preparatory work. So suppose that we have done this is the preparatory work, this space is void, now खाली है ये जगह. So we use a ladder and make it and fix it. So Alimak machine, we will put Alimak machine on it, so it will go up, and on this machine person will be stand, he will drill hole. When we want to blast, this machine come back here, you blast, this material fall down, you collect this material, again this machine go up, you will drill hole, blast, during the blast machine will come back, you collect the material. This is the process. Okay, so this is the your Alimak raising method. Okay, so Alimak method, yes, you yeah.
सबसे पहले प्रिपरेटरी एक्सकवेशन करते हैं, जो कि मशीन मूवमेंट के लिए जरूरी होता है.
So preparatory work we have done. Then we will put track with the help of the rock bolts, and this is the your Alimak machine. इनमें this is your canopy, this is your cage, and this is your driving mechanism. So it will help your canopy or cage to run. This machine will be run on the track, and this machine will be help. This machine go up, and this platform will be extend, and you drill the holes. When our drilling process complete, this machine come back to our this position, and you blast, collect this material, and extend. If you want to extend your track, you can extend. So this machine go up, okay. This is your Alimak method. Now come to raise borers. First, we have to discuss the disadvantage of the Alimak method. Now, disadvantage. First disadvantage of this method is when you blast, during the blasting, your track will be damaged. Okay. Second point, because this is a machine, you have to, initial cost is very high. So initial expenditure is high. Third, in this method also, ventilation is poor. ठीक है. Okay. Raise borer. So in this raise borer, first applicability or some information. First point is length. Length depend on the size and capacity of machine. मशीन की कैपेसिटी पे तो डिपेंड करेगा ना यार, रेज बोरियर मेथड में, because in this method we are also using the machine, drill machine, so the size and capacity will depend on the machine. Second, the inclination of the our body should be very steep, nearly, और vertical होना चाहिए, because we will hold so our body should be nearly vertical. So what we will do in this method? In this method, suppose this is your first level. Okay, level 1, and this is your second level, level 2. So in this method, your drill will be go on to here. Okay, this is your boring machine. First, you will drill a hole which diameter will be smaller. This hole known as a pilot hole. Pilot hole. ओके, और गाइड होल भी बोलते हैं इसको, वी कैन से गाइड होल. सो वी हैव ड्रिल द गाइड होल. फ्रॉम द बॉटम you place a reamer. You remove the bit of the drill and you put reamer. Okay, so remove drill bit and put reamer. So start drilling. from bottom to top. And in this method, this known as the this known as the back trimming, na? So when you come back, it will cut down your rock. It will fall down. Collect this material simultaneously. ठीक है? This method is known as the raise borer. Understood? So now we will see the video if I have. Otherwise, I try to explain you. This is your raise borer I had. So this method is also two types. Raise borer method is two types. Up rimming or down rimming. So in the raise borer, so we have drilled the hole with this is the black one is your drill rod and this is your the pilot hole. So drill bit cut down this pilot hole. Then we remove the drill bit and put the rimmers because we are discussing the up drip up rimmer. This look like this. This is your rimmer. So you have put down your the bit and again you are using the rimmer which dia is larger than your drill bit. So we now doing the back rimming and then we will disassemble our drill. So first we drill the pilot hole, then we are doing the trimming and this machine collecting your material simultaneously. So in this method, two steps: pilot hole boring and second is the back trimming. So up rimming method, what is if we are connecting from down to top is up rimming method. Okay, I think you got the information. So we have discussed the raise borer method. So in this method also some disadvantage. So we will discuss the disadvantage of this method. So disadvantage. Disadvantage first, high initial cost because this machine need lot of capitals. So high initial cost. Second point is whenever we drill the pilot hole, it will deviation will be occur. So pilot hole में deviation होता है. So this is also disadvantage of this method. In this method, the high power consume. High power consumption. Okay. And this method wants high skilled manpower. High manpower requires and maintenance of the Maintenance of the reamer. So whenever we try to maintenance of the reamer, it will be time taking process. Okay, I think you have uh, now come to the next method, which is drop raising method. So in the what is the drop raising method? First we will see the applicability. First point applicability is the first point is you need 50 to 60 meter long raise, which is nearly should be vertical. Second point should be charging and blasting. The hole is based on VCR. What is VCR? VCR means V means vertical, C means crater, R means retreat. So charging and blasting of the hole is based on VCR. Third point is the spherical charging. In the spherical charging, the length and dia, the ratio of length and dia should be 6 by 1. Okay, so we have discussed few methods. Tomorrow I will discuss a few tricks, because I have yesterday I do not have the time, so I skipped. But today I think I should discuss one or two tricks which maybe help you in the examination. Once a paper. Okay, yeah. So I told you should again and again. I told you to mug up 20, remember 2 to 25 table, then up to 15 cube, and few formulas like a plus b ka whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. If minus come, it will minus. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, I have also discussed the numerical number system, in which I have discussed divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 9. So now and 8 and 9. So what is the divisibility rule of 11? I told you how to multiply with the 11, but how you will know that any number is divisible by 11 or not? First method is make and divide. But in the calculation part, you have to know that this number is divisible by 11 or not. How you will get that information? For that, suppose that 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Why pen is working like this? 6, 3, 2, 9, 8, 3. So if we have to divide with the 22, then how you will know that this number is divisible by 11 or not, or 2? So for the divisibility rule, you have to add digits which are on the some point, some position, even position, na? So even or odd. So add digits which are on the even position, and add digit which are on the odd position. You get two numbers like 6 2 8 8 3 11, and 9 3 12 12 3 8 2 10 10 10 16, and 3 9 4 12 12 3 15. So when you will subtract it, you get 1. So this number should be divisible by 11. So it is not divisible. So this number is also not divisible by 11. तो इस मेथड में क्या होता है कि अगर आपको कोई नंबर दिया जाएगा ना, तो उसके इवन पॉइंट पे जो जो नंबर आ रहा है उसको ऐड कर लो, और ओड पॉइंट पे जो जो नंबर आ रहा है उसको ऐड कर लो, दोनों को माइनस कर लो। अगर वो नंबर 11 से डिविजिबल है तो मतलब वो डिविजिबल है ना? तो ये मेथड बताने में थोड़ा लंबा लग रहा, इट इज looks like long but it is not long. So it will help you in the examination if you know that this number is divisible by 11 or not, or if this number is divisible by 3 5 or not. So try to remember this. Okay, and another, I will take your queries after 4 to 5 minutes. Please wait. I told you how to square near the 100, like 102. I told you 104 5 95 98. Another trick I told you, if the number has the last digit is 5, so how you will square. Okay, and another trick is if you want to square 52, 54, which is near to 50, 48, 49, 47, so how you will square. So in this, for this number square, in this we have taken the 100 the base. In this we will take base as the 25. Okay, so take 25 as the base. If this number is more than 50, then add 2, put a line and square of 2. This will be 2704. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू, अगर आपको 54 का स्क्वायर करना है तो 54 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? ये नंबर 50 से कितना जाता है? 4, तो यू हैव टू ऐड 25 प्लस 4 एंड 04 का स्क्वायर, तो आंसर विल बी 2916. If you want to square of this number is less than 50, how much? 2. So you will minus 2 with 25, square of 2, so it will 2304. Similarly, this 25 minus 03 square, it will 2209. Okay, so okay, bye bye everyone, meet tomorrow.